In a quiet town, the old high school stood with an eerie silence. Years ago, a cruel prank ended tragically when Lily, a shy and kind-hearted student, was humiliated by her classmates. Pushed to her limits, she ran out of the school, her sobs echoing through the halls, and was found lifeless the next day by the river. Rumors spread that Lily's spirit lingered, seeking vengeance on those who wronged her. Strange occurrences began to plague the school.
Ever wondered how to turn simple images into an incredible animated film like the one we just watched? Stick around because today I'm going to show you how to do just that using free AI tools. We'll take you step by step through the entire process from script creation to animation and editing. And trust me, you don't need to be an expert to create something amazing. Let's dive in. Step 1. Script generation with ChatGPT. First things first, we need a compelling story. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate our script. Open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. Write a 200-word narrative about a wailing high school female student who was a victim of a cruel prank that led to her death, and now she haunts and kills school bullies. Make it spooky but suitable for teens. So click enter and just wait a few seconds. Here we go. Our script is ready. Our next prompt to input will be break down the scenes and give me prompts that I will give a text to image AI to create suitable visuals. Click enter, wait a few seconds, and here we go. Our prompts are ready. So this prompt will help us visualize our story and give us a clear direction for the animation process. When I first tried this, I was amazed at how quickly ChatGPT understood my vision and turned it into a coherent story. So just think of it as an inspiration board. Step 2. AI voice generation with 11 Labs. With our script in hand, it's time to bring our story to life with a voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs for this. Simply paste your script into 11 Labs and search through the voice library to choose a voice that suits the mood of your story. Having a good voiceover can make a huge difference in how engaging your film turns out. Personally, I love experimenting with different voices until I find the perfect match. So once we're done with that, we'll generate the voiceover and go ahead to download the audio file. Step 3. Image generation with Ideogram AI. Now let's create some stunning visuals. We'll use Ideogram AI for image generation, but tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney works great also. Ideogram has a free and premium option with various perks, of course. The free plan offers you 10 prompt limits daily. So if you want to use the free plan, you just ensure to use it wisely. Paste the image prompts from ChatGPT into Ideogram AI. For each scene, generate the image. You go through the versions generated and select the ones that best fit your story. Go ahead to download our chosen images. So having high quality, visually appealing images is crucial for making your animation pop. Keep repeating the process until we are through generating all the images needed. I remember the first time my story came to life through these images. It was a surreal experience. So guys, enjoy the process. It is definitely worth it. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm know you enjoyed this content and suggests it to others who might benefit from it too. Step 4. Image to video animation with Luma Lab Stream Machine. Next, we'll animate our images using Luma Lab Stream Machine. Upload the image you want it to animate for you. You can specify how you want each image to move, creating a seamless, engaging animation that brings your story to life. This is where your film really starts to take shape. So we'll just keep repeating the process until we've got all our images animated. Seeing my still images transformed into dynamic scenes was a game changer for me. Step 5. Video editing with CapCut. Finally, let's put everything together with CapCut. Upload your animated images and voiceover and add them to your timeline in the right order. Once you're done arranging the scenes, Next, we'll use CapCut library to find fitting audio and sound effects to enhance our film. Please don't underestimate the power of sound effect, so ensure to use wherever necessary. We have a river scene here, so we'll go ahead and use water sound. Please always remember to reduce the volume of your sound effects so it won't clash with your voiceover. You always want your voiceover to come out on top, like above whatever sound effect or audio you have attached to your video. For a touch of mystery, let's go through the audio library for an audio that suits the video. So we'll just go ahead to search for spooky audio files. Let's go with this. Sounds about right. Next, we'll add transitions to make the scenes flow smoothly. Let's use the black and white smoke transition. I feel it suits the genre of the video production we are making. CapCut has a long list of transitions available, so we definitely have a wide range of options to experiment with. So for the last clip, I will add a fade out animation at the end to signify the end of the film, just to add a little bit more effect. So generally, this step is all about polishing your project, making sure everything looks and sounds perfect. I always spend a bit of extra time here to ensure everything is just right because it is what makes or breaks the quality of your video. Once we're sure everything is in the right order, our film is ready and let's go ahead to download.
In a quiet town, the old high school stood with an eerie silence. Years ago, a cruel prank ended tragically when Lily, a shy and kind-hearted student, was humiliated by her classmates. Pushed to her limits, she ran out of the school, her sobs echoing through the halls, and was found lifeless the next day by the river. Rumors spread that Lily's spirit lingered, seeking vengeance on those who wronged her. Strange occurrences began to plague the school. Lights flickering, lockers slamming shut, and cold whispers filling the air. Students whispered about seeing a figure in a torn school uniform, her face pale and eyes hollow, wandering the halls at night. One evening, a group of notorious bullies decided to test the legend. As they mocked Lily's memory, a chilling breeze swept through the corridor, the temperature dropped, and the lights flickered wildly. Suddenly, the figure of Lily appeared, her wails piercing the air. The bullies tried to escape, but the doors slammed shut. One by one, they felt a cold grip around their throats, struggling for breath as they met their end. The next morning, the school was abuzz with the news of their mysterious deaths. From then on, the message was clear. Lily would not tolerate cruelty. Those who dared to bully would face her wrath.
And there you have it. You've turned simple images into a captivating animated film using AI tools. This process is not only fun and creative, but also accessible to anyone, regardless of your experience level. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below with your own AI animation creations. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy animating.